The passage below is taken from The 4:15 Express by Amelia B. Edwards. The paragraphs labelled A to F are in the wrong order. Put them into the correct order. 11. Mark the letter of the paragraph that should come first. As you can see, each of these paragraphs contains somebody speaking or saying some words, so there is a conversation happening here. The conversation is between Mr. 𝐷𝐿𝐻𝐻 and William Langford. But where would that conversation begin? With just so, Langford, William Langford, it is a pleasant house, I thought I knew your face, the pleasantest I know, not if you are on your way to the manor. Because this paragraph says he replied, that means this one couldn't come first. Somebody would have to speak first in order for someone else to reply. You can also see how these two paragraphs form part of the conversation. It is a pleasant house, said Mr. 𝐷𝐿𝐻𝐻. The pleasantest I know. This is the reply to that first statement. Now look at D. I thought I knew your face, he said, but your name I regret to say. And then we have Langford, William Langford. So B is therefore the response to D. It would therefore make sense for D to come first here. Because the two people are becoming acquainted, you can see the conversation would start with, I thought I knew your face, he said, but your name I regret to say. And then Langford would reply, Langford, William Langford, I have known Jonathan Jelf since we were boys together at Merchant Taylor's, and I generally spend a few weeks at Dumbleton in the shooting season. I suppose we are bound for the same destination. This question would need to be responded to, and indeed there is a response. Not if you are on your way to the manor, he replied. We know that that reply would have to come further down the conversation. So to go right back to the very beginning, D is the very beginning of this paragraph and therefore the right answer to this question. And you can show the answer of D on the answer paper like this.